Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley P. Deck, and I have a serious question. Do you have your go-to bob in your wig collection? If not, let me present to you this fly must-have bob, and she's 100% glueless. This one comes courtesy of BGM Girl, and they sent over this beautiful 10-inch bob. I'm going to give you a straight out of the box 10 minutes or less install. Actually, I already know. This one is like an 8-minute install. Super simple, easy, beginner friendly, and again, it's 100% glueless. So if you want to see how we got this look and slay just like me, let's get started. Okay, girls, jumping right into it. I've been meaning to share this little turban with you guys. I've had it for a few months now, and it's my favorite. I sometimes sneak out and do like my Target pickups in this little girl. She's perfect. She never slides off my head. I just love her to life. Anyways, let's get started on this wig. This one here comes from BGM Girl, and this is their 10-inch 6x4 HD straight lace wig. She's 180% density. She is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut lace. I love this for me. Look at the scallop cut on that hairline. You can also see how beautifully pre-plucked the hairline is. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. They did include that adjustable, removable elastic band. And this is one of those caps that fits nice and comfortable and like grips your head perfectly. So there is no combs or like the adjustable strap in the back because you simply just don't need it. Also in my package, they did include this extra adjustable strap. So if you want to switch it out for something a little bit thinner, they did give me an option in my package. So starting off with the install process, it's always important to take care of the foundation first. So your natural hair, make sure it's under a wig cap or something to protect your tresses. And then also like to secure your edges to make your lace lay flat. Go ahead and use an edge control to kind of just, take care of them edges. Now we have the wig on and I'm super excited. She's the perfect length, and not only is she the perfect length, she has that beautiful like tapered asymmetrical cut. So this is going to give like sleek, grown, sexy. This is the one I like to wear to the 30 and over events, giving grown and sexy with a cocktail in my hand. She's also great for like mom events, vacation. I just feel like I feel good and I look good in a bob like this one. She grips the nape perfectly and then comes down in the front like past the chin. It just gives the perfect dimensions and like silhouette. It just gives the perfect silhouette. So before we do our style, I wanted to show you guys that you can move the parting over. As I mentioned, this is a 6x4 HD lace wig. So you do get 6 inches of parting space going backwards, as well as 4 inches of parting space going across. I'm going to go ahead and just remove my lip gloss. When it comes to bob, it never fails. Bobs always like make your lip gloss stick to your lips. So I'm going ahead and just remove mine just so I don't get irritated. And then I'll add me a little lip gloss back at the end. Now we're going to go in and tint the lace. Now this is typically my last step and I will touch it up at the end, but I really just want to show you guys that this one is very easy. It's like a pre-everything wig where it comes pre-cut, knots pre-bleached, hairline pre-plucked. You can literally add a little bit of lace tint to the hairline, brush it, and go. Of course, we're going to turn it up a notch and make it super flawless, but just showing you that if you wanted to do literally the bare minimum, tint your lace at the least bit, comb it out at the least bit, and you can literally pull it off. Now I'm going to go in and do the dynamic duo. This here is the wax stick paired with the electric hot comb. I'm going to apply the wax around the parting as well as the hairline very generously and then comb it in. And then from there, we did go ahead and work that product in using an electric hot comb. And this really just like presses it in, gets it like super flat and sleek. And it just gives you a really nice, smooth, flawless, frizz-free finished look. Once you do the parting space and like towards the back, then you can carefully go in along the hairline. I like to do this because it helps the lace to look super thin and smooth, and it really just gives that like super body down, super melted, growing out of the scalp type of look. Now that we are done with that, we can easily go in and just straighten the hair out. Now this is already silky straight hair, so you don't have to do much. I just want to go in and make sure it's smooth. Of course, during shipping and handling, you get a little bit of bumps and lumps in your bob. So I'm just smoothing out any lumps that they have, especially in the back, and then also adding a light little bump at the bottom. I don't know about you, but like I always want to bump the ends. I never want to leave it like super like razor sharp. Like, I don't know. I like a little bump, and then if it falls or when it falls, it'll have that razor sharp look. But I just love the way it looks in the perfect silhouette whenever I do a nice little bump. So I'm going around and doing that. Now in this video, you will see that I did kind of like skip over the back a little bit. Although you see me do the back, I really should have took the wig off and put it on a wig head to really get the perfect look in the back. And that's one thing about bobs. You always want to put your wig on a wig head to get that back perfectly, because sometimes you can think like, okay, I went back there and I bumped, so you assume that it's perfect, and really it's not. So have a partner, have a friend, a child, whoever you have in your household help you out back there, or again, just take it off and put it on a wig head, especially before you bond it down if you choose to. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation along the parting space. And then I got these from the beauty supply store. They're by the brand Red, and one is like a melting spray and then one is like a glueless or like a glue adhesive. I'm going to use the melting spray. I think I used the melting spray, and I'm just going to go in and just press it along the hairline. Sometimes when you use a lot of powder in the hairline, especially if you don't bond the wig down, it'll kind of like tone it out and you really want it to pop. So I just add that to really go in and just smooth out and melt the hairline. And I just added the melt belt on top of that, and that's going to give me the perfect flawless look. Because I'm pressed for time because the wig is pretty much installed, I did go ahead and blow dry it, and I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I see a huge difference. Now the hairline looks super melted. It looks super like open and plucked, and you can see all of the greatness that she has in store. Now that we're done with this look, let's go ahead and check out the goodies. This is the packaging from BGM Girl Hair. They sent it over in a nice little shopping bag, and then they gave us this beautiful box. Inside we did get tons of goodies, including this extra removable elastic band. We got the dust bag, and then inside we did get an HD wig cap pack. These are nice and brown. And then we also got some regular wig caps, which I've been loving these more lately because they're more chocolatey like me. They also gave us the BGM Girl melt belt, as well as a pair of beautiful mink lashes. And then they gave us this pink baby hair brush, as well as some information and language on your wig. And then all of that was like folded into this really nice BGM Girl bonnet. And that is pretty much it. I loaded all my goodies back into the dust bag, and we are good to go. This one was super simple and easy. We got her done nice and slayed as a 100% glueless install in under 10 minutes, which is absolutely record breaking. This is for my girls who want to slay, get all the compliments. She's also very, very easy and beginner friendly for those of my girlies who don't have experience with bonding your wigs down. She's absolutely flawless. Definitely not a stiff bob by any means. I love the bounce and movement and body on this one, and the cut is absolutely perfect. I'll have details and a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.